What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. It is 2025. I hope everybody had a good new year, and hope everybody's ready to kick the year off strong as far as truck mods and stuff like that. We are going to be focusing once again on the black Duramax, and we've got a special little tool for this truck that I believe that every diesel owner should have. And I am talking about one of these guys right here. This is an EDGE CTS3 Monitor. This is not a tuner, not a programmer. This is just a monitor. This thing plugs into your OBD2 port, and it gives you all the numbers, all the special readings and everything that you need for your truck. This is super important on trucks like mine, where you've had some exhaust work done on it, and you have plans that you want to put under the hood of this truck, just to help things out a little bit, help some airflow a little bit, and you want to check out those numbers. So I've heard good things about these. Got this for Christmas, actually. Thank you to my parents. They got it for me, and yeah, we're going to get this thing installed best we can in the truck. Now, one thing that I do know that I'm probably not going to do is I'm probably not going to use the suction cup mount. It just comes with a basic suction cup mount to mount it on your windshield. And since I do have some tint on that glass, I really don't want to suction cup it to that tint. Could be bad and could be very devastating to that window film. So we are going to find out a different way. Unfortunately, nobody makes a cool way to mount it in the Denali interior. So like the luxury interior that you have on this body style of truck, nobody makes a cool way to mount it without it looking completely just out of place. So we might just end up doing some kind of a soft mount, something temporary just to get by. I saw somebody on TikTok 3D prints or makes mounts, and they should be working on one for this interior that's going to be like more of a discrete mount. So we're going to wait for that, I think. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we've got. All right, like I said, this is the EDGE Insight CTS3 Monitor, 30-day money-back guarantee, I guess, if this thing doesn't meet your satisfaction. So we've got a nice little black box here. Looks like we've got a little packet of something, some EDGE stickers. If you really want to be one of those cool guys, take this thing, put it on your door. You got yourself a new door badge. That way everybody knows. But here it is. Just a little, same size as a GPS. Just a little device. It's crazy to think that these guys are so expensive, and it wants you to register it for warranty purposes. But yeah, it's crazy to think how expensive these things are. Like, here's our windshield mount and our alcohol pad, which I'm not going to use the windshield mount. All right, first things first, you want to go ahead, get up under your dash, locate your OBD2 plug. Super simple, just right there. And see if this thing powers on like so. Might not be able to see it super well, but it is powering on for us. They seem to be pretty cool. You can monitor like transmission temperature, you can do your speed, pretty much all of your gauges. You can throw them up on here and pretty much see everything. You can clear your codes, give yourself diagnostics. And I think you could actually perform a manual regen using one of these, which is nice, for emissions trucks and everything. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and go through here. I'm not sure if they can, comment down below, but I'm not sure if you could use this as a tuner to apply tunes or not. And this cable is so large and so long. I mean, you could pretty much do anything you want with it. Like I say, if you hit the tuning option, it pretty much tells you that they can upgrade tuning calibrations. If you want to increase shift patterns, stuff like that. And so you have to contact our update agent software or whatever. So we're going to go back here. This would have been nice. Manual regen. So you can do that. Injector balance rates. So that's a nice thing to look at in case you think you have a faulty injector. You could check your injector balance rates and see which one of those injectors are going to be faulty. So let's go ahead and start the truck up. And I'm not sure about the balance, what it's supposed to be, but it looks like One of these is actually a little bit, got a higher number, I guess a more negative number, negative 2.2 on that one. I'm not sure if that's good or if that's a bad thing, but let's go ahead and look at some other things here. So like I said, you know, hit your codes. If you got any trouble codes, have any check engine lights, which I do not. I'm gonna go ahead and exit over here. Performance tests, that's kind of cool. Oh look, check this out. 0 to 60 test, 0 to 100 test, quarter mile, eighth mile. You can see and track your performance if you're looking for more performance-based truck. Check out the settings. You can change all the colors, background tinting. I mean, you can change it red, blue. I'm going to do blue because that's kind of going to be my theme for the truck, is to have the blue. I'm going to do that. And the color setting, keyline color, and I'm not sure what that means. Changes take effect on reboot. It must be this little outline here. So anyway, let's go ahead and look at our gauges. Recommend updating your device. I'm going to skip that for now because I don't really know how to connect it to the Wi-Fi. I'll have to plug it into the computer. So let's go ahead and load up our gauges here. Take a look. Convert any digital gauge on the device to function as a switch. How do you plug in a switch to this? That's interesting. Huh. All right, so here we go. Here's the main screen layout here. We've got the speed. We've got our boost on our turbo, so we can check that out, which is pretty nice. It doesn't come with that on the, you know, the gauge cluster or anything. So it's just 4 pounds of boost, engine RPMs, IAT. Not sure what that means. I have to learn all this. Guys, don't just bear with me here. I got to learn all this stuff too. So ECT temperature, stuff like that. So you could just, you can pretty much customize it any way you want to. That's how you get back to the home screen. This is how you get back to the theme. You can edit your layout here. That way you can choose what gauges you want to see. Screen 1, screen 2, screen 3. I'm going to go back. I'm just going to leave that alone for right now. You swipe over, so this is a different screen. Shows you a few things. It throws you your battery percentage, your fuel level, 53%, which I'd say is about accurate. Battery's about accurate. IAT, TFT, load percentage, your speed, RPMs, and then here's all this stuff. It's just kind of the same kind of information, just in a different layout. So EGTs I've heard are pretty important as far as diesels go. So yeah, it's just a cool little device that can let you just really know a lot of important information. I'm definitely going to be using it for like transmission temperature as soon as I find out where that function's at. Transmission temperature, I'm probably going to use it for speed because I know my GPS or my speedometer's off just a little bit, but I think it'll definitely come in handy, especially with the performance stuff. But anyway, so the mounting, as far as that goes, like I know the windshield mount, you could probably get it down here and it might not look so bad, but like I said, I've got the tint. I really don't want to mess with the tint on the truck, so we might try to find some way to mount it, maybe down here on this magnet mount. Otherwise, somebody's got to come up with some kind of really good aftermarket way to mount this up. And as you shut the truck off, the device shuts itself off as well. So it's all just powered by your OBD2. So really the hardest part is trying to run your wiring and get the wiring and stuff like that cleaned up and nice and tidy. All right, so here's what I came up with as far as a little temporary mount setup for the EDGE. Put a magnet on the back of the EDGE, stuck it to that because it's a magnetic mount, ran all the cords underneath, tidied that up, and that's what we're gonna roll with until something better comes out. Yeah, some people might think it's a waste of money. Some people might just be in the comments saying, hey, why did you get that? There's no reason for that. You could plug in a thing off of your phone and use an app. But I like to just be able to have it right there instead of having to use my phone. Because typically 9 times out of 10, your phone's gonna be playing music, running GPS, doing something different. So last thing I wanna do is have to load up my phone. I do have the Easy Link. I could probably see a lot of that stuff on the Easy Link. But I think as far as like when it comes time time to do performance related stuff to the truck. I was changing injectors, you know, seeing the balance and stuff like that, as you guys saw. If you guys could read that balance and if you could tell me something's up with my injectors, please let me know down in the comments below, because I am still new to the whole diesel scene here and I'm still trying to learn everything I can about it. So just let me know if you see something off in any of those screens. But yeah, that's the EDGE CTS3 Insight Monitor. It's got a lot of functions. It's going to take a little bit to learn it, a little bit of a learning curve, but if you guys are, you know, on the fence about it, you didn't know anything about it, kind of like I do, and you wanted a kind of a quick overview of it, this might be the video for you. Something that's kind of your call, whether or not you want to make that purchase or not. Performance wise, I think it's going to come in handy with the 0 to 60. You know, if you want to make a fast truck, it's a pretty decent piece of equipment to have. I think it'll really you know, help having those numbers just right there on that screen. That about wraps this video up, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped out. Feel free to slam a like on this. Feel free to subscribe down below. Lots more truck content, whether it's Duramax or OBS truck content coming up here in the future. And we'll see you all in the next video.